Hello there. Welcome back. So now you know how to make your images in gray using CSS image filter grayscale. Okay, so now in this module we are going to create a blur effect on your images. Okay, so for that let's visit to our code editor. You can see this is the code editor and let's make it 100%. Okay, so this is 50% grayscale, so put here 1 and that will going to make it 100% gray. You can see. Okay, so now let's once again visit our code editor and you can see this is WebKit. So this is work in Chrome, Safari and Opera for WebKit browsers, and if you want to do change in Mozilla, so you can just you have to change here. Okay, so now let's make a blur effect. For that let's create a file that called blur.html. okay, and go to grayscale, Control A for select all, Control C for copy, and go to blur, Control V for paste. Okay, so now you can see this is blur page, and let's change its class name to be grayscale to blur. Okay, so this is blur. Okay, and now let's go to our style page. Okay, and go here. First of all, let's take a look of blur. So click here. So this is page which is we going to blur effect. Okay, so go to style sheet and here comment that it's a blur page. Okay, and now dot blur. Okay, and images, and same here it's a filter will be blur, and actually blur effect based on pixels, so the more pixel value is more blur. So let's first make it's 5 pixel. Okay, and one for WebKit browsers and one for Mozilla. Okay, okay, and now let's visit our page and boom, now you see it's totally blur now. Okay, so you can see let's make it visible. Okay, so let's save our time and just copy it and paste it here. Okay, and on hover I want to see pics, so make it 0 pixel blur. Okay, so change this value and visit once again my page and you can see, oh my god, this is really so awesome. Actually you can't imagine just you are doing this with CSS only. Okay, so this is really awesome. So let's increase their value. You can see this is WebKit browser, so let's increase only WebKit. It's 50 pixels. And now once again, oh my god, it's totally invisible. I mean, you can make a game. This is really gonna be nice. Isn't this awesome? So actually just think about it, to make a game. This is really cool. So now you know that more pixel value is more blur. Okay, so let's make it once again 5 pixel and go to here, and now I'm going to just once again same process. Okay, so just I'm going to just use a print screen on my keyboard to print this screen, and now I'm going to use my paint. Okay, so now you can see Control V for paste and just select it, this area, and going to crop, going to resize it to 60 pixel and save it as a blur. Okay, so blur, you can see, and now I back to my creator, go to blur and go to this link, and you can see here's a first one gray one, so let's change this to be blur. For that let's copy it, save our sometimes and paste it here, and now you can see just change it to blur HTML. Okay, it's blur.html, and now here let's change it to blur.png. Okay, and let's once again visit here and now click here, and you can see refresh it, and now you can see here gray. Oh my god, this is, I done some mistake. Okay, sorry, I didn't change this to blur. And you can see here is some mistake going on. You can see this image is also going to be blur. Well, this is really a very simple fix, but let me show you how. Okay, so actually I put a blur class which is applying our body. Okay, so let's make it apply only in that sections where our image gallery is gonna happen. Okay, so let's come here and make a class that is like div and class and create a blur. Okay, and at the very end just close it. Very simple fix. Okay, and the same thing we do in grayscale. Okay, copy it, go here and div class grayscale, copy and just cut it and go down, and at the very end paste here. Okay, and now this is a very simple fix. Now when you click here, let me show you. When you click gray, so this is gray. Actually we haven't add that link on grayscale, so let's go here and copy this link. Okay, and go to grayscale and paste here. Very simple. Okay, and now it's going to work very awesomely. So let's go to blur, and now you see it's blur page. So you can see there's gray, blur. Okay, so this is really awesome. Okay, so thank you so much and see you in the next module.